What's up, Guild members? Welcome back to Anime Taio for episode 31 of Weekly Anime News. The final week of May brought us a wave of new season trailers, a historic crossover, a legendary anniversary, and some exciting theatrical acquisitions. Let's dive into the headlines. Kicking off on May 24th and 25th, we got a flood of July premiere trailers. Uchi no Ototodomo ga Sumimasen released a new trailer for its the 3rd of July 2026 premiere from Les Deux. UNIR Polar Opposites Season 2 dropped a new trailer for its the 5th of July 2026 premiere from Lapintrack. Though I Am an Inept Villainess unveiled a new main visual for its the 12th of July 2026 premiere from Doga Kobo. And the biggest news of this batch, Historie, the highly anticipated anime from Parasite author Hitoshi Iwaki, revealed a new teaser visual and trailer. It's scheduled for January 2027 from Leiden Films. Mark your calendars. May 26th was absolutely packed. The Reborn Hero anime film, inspired by Osamu Tezuka's classic Princess Knight, dropped a new trailer. It hits Netflix on the 8th of August 2026. Megalumiere Magical Girls Incorporated. Season 2 released a new trailer for its the 4th of July 2026 premiere. The ending theme is Boom by Hausho Marine. Yes, the VTuber. That's going to be a banger. I Became a Legend after my 10-year-long last stand revealed a new key visual for its the 6th of July 2026 premiere from Gecko. Then, the crossover no one saw coming. Star Detective Precure times Detective Conan announced a special crossover episode. Magical girls meet the world's greatest detective. Mebasi Witches, Emo Emery's Blooming Witches, a theatrical compilation film, got a new teaser visual for fall 2026. And the Rascal Does Not Dream series released another memorial visual, this time featuring Ikumi Akagi for the upcoming movie Rascal Does Not Dream of a Dear Friend, premiering October 16, 2026. On May 27th, Tank Chair dropped a new character trailer for its fall 2026 premiere from Polygon Pictures. Also, Jadugar, a witch in Mongolia, revealed a new main visual and trailer for its the 4th of July 2026 premiere, with a 2-episode premiere special from Science Saru. This one looks gorgeous. Finally, May 28th and 29th delivered the week's closing announcements. Dr. Stone Science Future Core 3 released a new climax visual ahead of episode 33. The Science Kingdom's final arc is heating up. The Shy Snow Woman and the Cursed Ring, a doujin work, is getting a TV anime adaptation. No date yet, but it's on the way. G-Kids has acquired North American theatrical rights for the 1999 classic Adolescence of Utena. Screenings will take place on June 21-22, 2026. A must-watch for fans of revolutionary cinema. Zero, Starting Life in Another World, Season 4. The Recapture arc will have its Episode 1 screening at Anime Expo 2026 on July 3. Attendees, you're in for a treat. The Frontier Lord begins with 0 subjects, released a new trailer for its the 10th of July 2026 premiere from Animation Studio 42. And in the week's most heartwarming news, Yuri on Ice celebrated its 10th anniversary with a stunning new visual by character designer Tadashi Hiramatsu, plus a 10th anniversary Blu-ray box set announced for release on the 23rd of December 2026. 10 years since we fell in love with Yuri and Victor. Also, Media OCD announced an HD remaster Blu-ray of the 1988 Vampire Princess Miu OVA. No cover art yet, but it's coming. And that, Guild members, was a fantastic week to close out May. From Historia's long-awaited trailer and the Precure X Conan crossover to Yuri on Ice's 10th anniversary and G-Kids bringing Utena back to theaters, there's so much to celebrate. What's your top takeaway? Are you excited for Historia, the Precure X Conan crossover, or the Yuri on Ice anniversary? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Taiyo, signing off.